A young woman named Lily was known throughout the town for her unwavering kindness and generous spirit. She was always the first to lend a helping hand or offer a word of encouragement to those in need, and her selflessness had earned her the admiration and respect of all who knew her. One sunny afternoon, as Lily was walking through the town square, she came across an older woman struggling to carry a heavy load of groceries. Without hesitation, Lily rushed to her aid, offering to help carry the bags to the woman's car. The older woman was overcome with gratitude, thanking Lily profusely for her kindness. As Lily walked away, a warm feeling of satisfaction washed over her. She knew that helping the older woman made a small but meaningful difference in someone's life, a feeling that filled her heart with joy. That evening, as Lily sat down to dinner with her family, she received a phone call from her friend Sarah. Sarah desperately needed someone to watch her children for the evening, as she had unexpectedly been called into work. Lily offered to help without hesitation, knowing how much it would mean to her friend. As Lily arrived at Sarah's house, she was greeted with hugs and smiles from the children, who were thrilled to see her. Together, they spent the evening playing games and telling stories, enjoying each other's company until Sarah returned home. As Lily drove home that night, she couldn't help but marvel at how the universe seemed to reward her acts of kindness. It was as if every good deed she performed returned to her tenfold, filling her life with abundant love and happiness. Over the years, Lily lived by the principle of giving back to others, knowing that the universe would always reward her in return. She volunteered at the local soup kitchen, donated to charity, and spoke kindly to strangers. Her mission was to spread love and positivity wherever she went. Per the law of reciprocity, the universe showered Lily with blessings beyond her wildest dreams. Opportunities appeared out of nowhere, bringing her success and fulfillment in all areas of her life. Her relationships grew more pungent, her career flourished, and she surrounded herself with a network of loving and supportive friends and family. But the greatest reward was the inner peace and contentment that filled Lily's heart. Knowing that she had positively impacted the world brought her a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose, enriching her life in ways that money and material possessions never could. As Lily reflected on her journey, she realized that the key to unlocking the universe's abundance lay not in the pursuit of wealth or success, but in the simple act of giving back to others. By living a life of kindness and generosity, she had tapped into a powerful force that had transformed her life in ways she could have never imagined. As Lily looked up at the stars twinkling in the night sky, she whispered a silent thank you to the universe for its infinite blessings. She knew that as long as she continued giving back to others, the universe would always give back to her. Trusting that the universe always has your back, no matter what, is a beautiful gift you can give yourself. It's all about living with certainty and being in a place where you can trust and feel safe, regardless of what's happening around you. The law of reciprocity is one of the most important universal laws that you should embrace and put into practice to live a truly fulfilling life. This law simply states that giving leads to receiving. In life, givers always gain while takers lose. The more you give to others, the more you will receive in return. The unpredictability of the universe is a well-known fact, as life can change at any moment. People can be thrown into despairing situations suddenly and without warning. However, one thing that we can be sure of is that the universe compensates us for the loss it inflicts. It gives us wisdom, resilience, humility, compassion, and strength of character. These virtues cannot be purchased online, as they take years to develop and result from our heartbreak and pain. The universe responds to our thoughts and feelings. When we are vibrating in a positive place, our vibration is raised high enough to connect with the powerful energy of the universe. When we find ourselves in this space, we align with the flow of the universe and we feel unstoppable. It is likely true if someone believes that the universe is sending us a message. Our bodies and minds constantly interact with cosmic forces, even when we are not conscious of it. We can use this connection to our advantage because the energy we emit returns to us. When we give, the universe reciprocates. Determining what we need and want and channeling that same vibrational energy is essential. It will come back to us, demonstrating our influence over our destiny. In a way, humans have a natural partnership with the universe. Regardless of how we might want to separate our physical bodies and minds from the material universe, they are connected because we are essentially one, co-creating in a field of consciousness. Remember this quote, "Those who give are more likely to receive." It's not just about giving, but also about serving, volunteering and providing without expecting anything in return. It's taking action knowing that you can add value and that investing in humanity and your community is exemplary. As this quote suggests, the investment, value, and service you offer returns to you in unexpected and multiplied ways. By raising the tide for someone else, you also raise it for yourself. This quote also implies that the return responds to giving back to those who serve first. There is an order to it. Start counting your blessings and be grateful for what you have in your life. You will be surprised how this positive mindset attracts more reasons to be thankful for. Once you start, the law of attraction will bring more of these positive thoughts to you. Having an attitude of gratitude can have numerous positive effects on your life. It can improve your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual energies and help you build healthy, personal, professional, and social relationships. Grateful people tend to appreciate things around them and, as a result, are generally healthier and happier. The universe operates under a law that ensures that the energy you put into the world is returned to you in a form you do not currently possess and in multiples when it is most appropriate and in the proper form. This is a magical process. The more you give, the more magic you create for yourself. As a result, life begins to work in your favor. The universe keeps meticulous records of your good deeds, which builds up credit in the universal system. Eventually, by the law of cause and effect, giving and receiving will bring you the thing you desire most, just when you need it most, in a way that seems like a miracle. You may win a competition, receive a gift from a stranger, or experience one of countless other possibilities that people often call luck. That is how giving works. Sometimes, the universe takes the small things you have to offer and combines them into something much bigger than you need, presenting it to you at the perfect time. When you approach life from a mindset of abundance, the universe will respond with abundance in return. On the other hand, if you operate from a place of self-centeredness and scarcity, you will attract more scarcity into your life. This is a basic universal law that many people fail to understand. Practicing gratitude can also help you break barriers and build bridges with others. People tend to appreciate and applaud those who express gratitude, which can help increase your self-esteem and self-confidence. You will start to believe in the power of positivity and see the light instead of the darkness. This can lead to a shift in your mindset where you stop criticizing, complaining, and condemning others. It can also help you improve your personality, attitude, and behavior and excel as a leader. Remember to be grateful when you rush to reach a destination and obstacles hinder your progress. You may have dodged something unpleasant by not arriving on time. Always remember that when one door closes, another opens or a window appears. This implies that the universe has presented you with a fresh opportunity. We often become so fixated on a specific situation, believing it to be what we truly desire, that we don't leave room for the universe to work its magic and create a better outcome. However, in retrospect, we often realize that it was perhaps a blessing in disguise, that we didn't get what we thought we wanted. The universe responds to our thoughts and feelings. When we are in a positive state, our vibration is raised and we can connect to the powerful energy of the universe. In this space, we are in alignment with the flow of the universe and we feel unstoppable. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.